Hey. Get up. I can see that you're blinking and breathing just fine. You're acting still. Not very good.
Only Cams provides body cam footage for transparency and educational purposes only. On March 22nd, 2025, what began as a routine traffic stop at the corner of Rennick and East Main Street quickly escalated. Officer Davis, badge 113, pulled over a vehicle for a simple stop bar violation. What should have been a 5-minute ticket soon turned into a multi-charge arrest.
Headquarters traffic
why
stop.
they just ripping his window out like that.
What's going on? Officer Davis, Chillicothe Police Department. Reason for the stop is you stopped past the stop bar back there coming off of Rennick, turning on to East Main Street. You have your driver's license, insurance, and registration? Mr. Powell, how are you?
Hey, yo, the homie doing right. He ain't saying nothing. Yeah,
turn that light on back here too for you.
The less you say, the better.
Roll my window. Don't turn it down and don't say nothing. You really got me pissed off.
Who?
Why y'all pull me over for? Can you take that flashlight off my camera, please, sir? What's your name and badge number?
Blanket ship 49.
Thank you. Oh, never mind.
Anything y'all looking for tonight?
I'm doing a job,
man. We do wrong. We get to showing
officer
them that we
stopped here.
Got a lot of knowledge.
The K9 do a sniff around the vehicle. Just crack the windows a couple inches and turn the vehicle off for me, okay?
Best way.
What is that for now?
For the dog, he's going to do a sniff around the vehicle.
And why are they doing that?
I have no clue, buddy.
Well, he needs to come and tell me if he wasn't here.
He goes to record him,
The officer is requesting. You said he did it, right?
Yeah.
So he needs to come and tell me, right?
Well, he's writing the ticket.
I'm patiently waiting.
Right. Well, just roll the windows up and shut the vehicle off.
Obviously,
roll the windows
up and crack them a couple inches down. Yeah, whatever.
How do I have to do it now?
Just crack him a couple inches from the top.
What is for a traffic citation?
No, he's about to get smart with him, man. He's about to like, man.
It's like the third time.
So, we'll just crack the windows from the top.
I'm going to roll them all the way up and I'm going to wait on my...
I kind of see why the hell.
I'm not going to do anything else.
They probably rip his window out like that.
They wouldn't crack the windows, so... But the vehicle's off.
He's a little friendly with that up and down button. You're...
That's a real good, easy way to go to jail.
What's he doing?
You know, people, if we would
open
just
the door,
stop being so
open the door.
ignorant sometimes, we
Open the door.
better than like, yo.
Open the door.
For what? Man.
Open the door.
Everybody.
Open the door.
No. Open the door, bud. Get out of the vehicle, Nick.
We all do better.
Because I'm asking you to. Get out of the vehicle.
You heard him? What is the reason why I'm getting on my vehicle?
Step out of the vehicle.
I'm asking you why.
Because I'm giving you an order to step out of the vehicle.
You just can't give me no
Yes, I
order.
can. Pennsylvania versus Mimms state that I can order the driver out of the vehicle at any moment in time. So step out of the vehicle.
For traffic?
All right, step out. Step out.
Yeah, lucky. That was exclusive.
Do I have to step out?
Yes, you do. Step out of the
Hey,
vehicle.
do I got to step out my vehicle?
Okay, yeah.
Okay. Step out of the vehicle.
I would like to talk to your supervisor first.
No.
I would like to talk to a supervisor
Get out of the vehicle. So this is how it works. Either you step out, or we bust the window out and we drag you out forcefully.
Hey, yo, I
Why would
noticed
you
that
bust my window out?
You're not the client. We're asking you to step out.
You asked your supervisor. The
When the
supervisor already
here,
on this.
I will get out the car.
Get out of the
You feel
car.
what I'm saying? You
Pennsylvania
asking for
versus
their
Mimms.
balls.
We can order a driver out of the
Their
vehicle.
balls gonna go with
The Supreme Court ruled that.
What is the reason?
We don't have to have a reason to order a driver.
Following his
have a
rules.
reason to drive.
Step out of the vehicle.
Come and say,
Step out of the vehicle.
My
Step out of the vehicle.
you did this, you did that, you broke these laws.
Step out of the
I'm sorry, sir, you gotta come out. Damn, my man did that with bare hands.
My seatbelt's on. What are you doing? My seatbelt's on.
You don't want to get out? This is how we get you out.
Okay. Ow, hey, why are you breaking
Bro,
my
what
neck?
officer is
Hey,
that,
I'm
man?
I'm not doing
My man
anything,
just
bro.
turned
Come
to,
on, brother. Let them do what they do, bro.
man, his hands gotta be cut up.
There's no safety threat.
Pennsylvania versus Mimms.
Step out of the vehicle. Out of the vehicle.
I'm not resisting or anything. I hit my head on the ground.
Copy.
That's the shorty in the back
Grand
talking
Mail
about
21.
Pennsylvania versus the city.
I go.
Keep me on live tonight.
Do you guys need additional?
I'm mad.
I don't want
Put
to.
the camera on.
Get over that.
No, he didn't do that.
All right, well, step
He
out.
ain't wait when he. Damn, just. For a window, bro. The ring ain't do shit
Right.
to y'all.
I mean, I'm going home.
Look at him.
I ain't on that bullshit.
Yeah, or just go step back there to my prison.
Look.
What's up?
For what reason? I going home. I'm passing.
You're gonna step back there in the front of the prison.
I'm fine. I'm going.
When I do that.
I ain't doing
Because it's
shit.
a traffic stop.
I'm a passenger.
Don't matter. All passengers are detained in a
Hey,
traffic
White,
stop.
come down here and get my phone. Hey, you got my phone right there? Hit it right here on the car. Hit it right there on the car. Hit it right there so you can see me on the car. Turn that over, Jermaine. Jermaine,
Yeah.
turn that phone over.
Quit touching things.
Turn my phone over.
I'm not gonna have him
Turn
reach
my
it while I'm
phone
working.
over. Ain't nobody reaching. Turn my phone over. Turn my phone over.
Come on, guys.
Hey, turn my phone over.
I'm just saying, I wonder why I'm being
I'm not doing anything.
Because it's a traffic stop.
Okay, but I don't have nothing to do with
My
nothing.
money's flying everywhere, babe.
Right. I've been like him.
I don't know. I got rides from.
I am.
I got some chicks' house. We was partying.
I just want
Brown,
to
babe.
got
My
nothing
money's
to
all
do
over
with
the
this,
ground.
man.
I will. I ain't got no problem with it.
So I can get your money.
Wrong
Nah.
friends.
Nah.
You
You better
better
get.
I mean, I need to know what's going on. I like.
Buddy, I'm just
I have no idea what the fuck's going on.
I'm just a backup
That's my
officer,
cousin.
okay?
My
So
man, like,
I
I'm
knew him
fucked
all
up.
my life.
The-
That's my
Came
family. You know what I'm saying?
the
I
K9
got a ride.
The K9 officer was running the dog and he found something that he didn't like and wanted you guys to tell him, okay? So we asked him to step out of the vehicle and he refused to do so. So for us to get him out of the vehicle and somebody refusing to do so, our only option is to
Obviously-
forcefully remove him.
Obviously, you know.
And
he
then
knows
during
what-
a
he
during
knows
a
what
traffic
happened
stop,
because
all passengers
right
are
there.
seized
Right. I mean,
in the traffic stop.
I'm good.
I got you.
I ain't got shit on me, man. I ain't trying. I
Like,
mean,
bro, you Gucci, man.
I
Don't
don't know
worry
what's
about
going
it.
on.
I didn't see
Only
anything
thing
else.
you fucked up is if they
Like, I don't know
run
why
your
the
name and you
window
got
was
some
I don't know.
Because he wouldn't get out. We asked him multiple times.
I try to stay out of this bullshit. I ain't been in the bullshit for a minute. I don't know what's going on. You know what I mean?
Yeah. He's going to jail right now. So
For what?
for obstructing right now. He ain't your lawyer, so
Oh, man, flip
he's
it.
still ain't valid. So
Look, shut
you
the
got somebody
fuck
to come
up.
pick you up, or you gonna walk home?
I'm walking.
Hang out for right now. Yeah.
49 That's available 31.
I watch him till the tow truck comes. I watch him. Bro, I ain't playing you like nothing. I love you. Hey, I'm
He
gonna watch
said,
him,
yo,
bro.
how you gonna play me like that, nigga? What, he was supposed to go to jail
If that's
with
his
you?
property.
That's
If that's
crazy.
if that's
He
his
said,
property,
bro,
put it
don't
back
worry.
up
I'm
there.
gonna watch
If
you
that's his
through
property,
the
put it
Why
back
can't
up
I
there.
come and get it?
This ain't his phone.
I ain't got nothing to
His
do
phone
with
is
your
it?
It's his
bullshit, bro.
girlfriend.
Look,
So it's his
you
phone.
hey, look, I
No,
got
it's
No,
you.
it's not.
I
It's
took
his
the
mom's
iPhone
phone.
shit, let you know.
That's
But
all
It's
it's
not
his
his
mom's, and they
phone.
can't take
I've
his
been
shit.
using it.
So
bro,
it was
I
on
ain't
his
going to
property.
jail with you.
It was on his
Talking
property.
This
They're
is
not
his
answering
wife,
no
bro.
questions.
I
They're
mean,
just out there acting like they can
So
do
try to
whatever
say
the
like he
they
gonna
want
get
and
him
they
dirty.
can't.
Nigga,
So for what?
Listen, hey.
he one of them.
I don't
Yeah.
One of
know.
them,
Why
if he
can't
go
I
to
come
jail,
get his
nigga, you
car?
going to jail
Can
with
she
me,
come? You
bro.
gotta come get the fucking car, bro.
Tweaking? No.
I mean, come on,
I
bro.
am not,
I-
bro.
She got license.
It's not my
It's on the
call,
side of the
guys.
street.
It's not my call.
Let her come get
That's
the
his
car.
mom's car. You can't just take her car for what?
What?
What was the crime? What is the
We'll
crime?
get.
I'm asking a
Don't.
question.
We don't want to call. You know, she's older, bro. He said call mom.
I am right now.
Hey, bro,
What
don't
is
tell
the
the
crime?
truck, bro.
Nobody's saying what the fucking
That's my
crime being
aunt.
committed is.
Why is this shit? I don't understand it. This
That's
is
my
with the
aunt's
weirdest
truck.
shit I've ever been through.
600.
That's his
Yeah, I
cousin.
got it all. You had 600.
Yes, sir.
What happened?
They always do this weird ass
I've been. Hey, I drunk a couple beers and shit tonight, but goddamn, this shit. I ain't never
Right,
drunk
see, I
that
knew he
much.
was fucked up. Look, I'm fucked
don't
up.
drink at all.
Came from out the
I'm
club.
sober as
Shit crazy. Like he don't even drink. I drunk like
So where's
4
he at?
beers. That's why I wasn't driving. I don't drive when I drink. Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
Where's he at?
Yeah.
Where's he at?
Back up that way. I don't need to.
Damn, bro, you got me walking up on cops and shit. Hold on.
Right,
Here, just
he
get on
knew
the
what he was
sidewalk,
doing.
Get on the sidewalk.
Yeah.
If you want to record, you can record over there.
Ball me.
Purple Pauls is what?
And he counting money, yo.
Purple
He was
Pauls
like,
is what?
fuck, nigga.
Here. I'm getting off here.
Watch out.
So,
One,
so
two,
he's
three.
going to jail, okay? So, Him being arrested and not a valid driver, the vehicle's being towed.
Main Watt Street. Come on, come down here.
No, I
Go
don't
get
know.
the car.
Hey, no. I don't want anybody else showing up on this traffic stop.
Man, y'all scary as hell, police. Man, y'all bring your ass down here, yo. Fuck what the police saying, nigga. Come on, Nick. Traffic stop. Scary ass.
Come on,
Nothing
get up.
involved, everything.
I can see you blinking. Quit playing games. Get up.
They driving past.
Nick.
You heard? Oh, look.
Alright, I'll just have them get the chair. He's refusing to get out of the car. He's playing possum. Nicholas Powell. I can see that you're blinking and breathing just fine. You're acting still not very good. You get out of the car and walk in there like a man, or they're gonna have to put you in the chair and wheel you in there.
What the fuck is that?
For what?
I can't see.
You can't see. That's crazy because you literally were just looking at it.
I should have been putting this seatbelt. I hit my head again. I'm cold.
He's not reacting. Can we get him out of the vehicle and maybe lie him flat?
Sure.
Okay, let's do that first.
Oh, there we go. Crazy. It's almost like a cold bath.
She got him up.
No, dude, you can't use your feet, so I don't want you to hurt yourself.
God! I'm up. God! Is that Mimms?
Dude, you gotta stay, you don't knock it off.
In the end, Nicholas Powell was booked on charges including obstructing official business, resisting arrest, and assaulting a police dog. If you like content like this, please like and subscribe.
Should have been locked up for bad fucking role playing. He's a bad actor right there. Hey, yo, that was a good video, yo. Big Migo. Thank y'all for watching. Till next time. Peace.